So money that we keep comes from two areas. One, it's the leads coming into sales. So converting sales is important, but you need to be pricing properly. And so many creative agencies or business owners that I see, they're not really respecting it's not just their time, it's the value that they're providing. So forever I'm saying to my clients, don't just talk about the price. Like, price should not really come into it. We want to talk about the value that you're going to bring them. I just had a text message last night from a client, and he was pricing a job. He was going to be $43,000, and we back costed it. We looked at it and said, have you made money on these similar projects before? And often he's lost money because, he's gone to get the deal, all these components added up. And I was like, is that a true reflection of the time put in? And it wasn't. So when we really looked at the time, it went up to about 50,000. And then I said, but you need a margin. You need to be making business. You're the one taking the risk. As business owners, we take on a lot of risk. And so we added a percentage to that, and that took the number up to, I think it was 62,000. So he's gone from 43,000 to 62,000 in the proposal, and he was going, whoa, that's a big difference. And I said, well, okay, we can bring it down to 59,000. How about that? Sounds a little bit better. And so he put that proposal forward, and boom, the guy said, look, sounds good, let's go.